There are over 200 natural islands in the whole of UAE, but the only ones which are inhabitable can be counted on your fingertips. And Siniya Island is one of those magical places where I've invested myself with initial thought of walking away with profits, but changed my mind to no, this is my second home. And there's multiple reasons for that. Number one being, I'm yet to see such a magical place in the entire UAE. So what does this natural island bring to us, both in terms of value to our life and investments? Let's take a deep dive. The location is north of Dubai, around 50 minutes by road, but soon you can take air taxi from Dubai airport and get here within 10 minutes. And here is a major catalyst to your investment, and that's the Wynn Casino, coming in a 7-minute ferry ride. Alternately, you can come and take a 15-minute drive on the road, which connects straight to Wynn Casino. There's two factors that majorly influence your investment here. Number one is the island itself, which is second to none. And number two is the commercial aspect driven by the casino yet to open in Q4 2027. What's all the hype about investing in a casino destination? Well, there's only one way to find out. Let's look at the numbers and the impact of property prices in all casino destinations in the world. This was primarily in the 1950s due to lack of infrastructure and a remote location. Let's see what happens once the casino is announced and operational. The prices went up to 3,000 US dollars, and these are 2025 prices. Monaco was fueled by Monte Carlo Casino, and the prices today stand at $10,000 per square foot. Macau, pre-casino prices, $700 per square foot. Post-casino, $3,300 per square foot. Singapore, Marina Bay, pre-casino prices, $1,000, and post-casino, $1,850, nearly doubled. Siniya Island, UAE, pre-casino prices stand at $700 per square foot. Well, based on the figures and facts and history of what I shared earlier of all casino destinations, without a doubt, the price will rise. The only question we need to ask ourselves is, by how much? The evidence of price rise is in our faces. A month ago, I posted a video, and guess what? The prices have gone up by about 5% ever since. Welcome to Siniya Island, the newest crown jewel designed to redefine luxury waterfront living in the UAE. In today's video, let's break down the real investment metrics behind owning a one-bedroom apartment here. In this video, we'll break down both return on investment and return on equity for any discerning investor. For the purpose of simplicity, let's work around the matrix of a one-bedroom apartment investment. Let's have a look at this project's trajectory. Siniya Island was launched in Q4 2024 with a one-bed starting at 1.1 million. Today we are the fourth quarter of 2025 and the prices start at 1.4 million. Return on investment. Assuming the cost of the property of a one-bedroom is 1.4 million today, and we rent it out on Airbnb managed by Sobha at 800 dirhams a night. Normally the casino occupancy rates are 85% worldwide because it's not seasonal. We'll still work around a conservative figure of 70% occupancy. So for 800 dirhams a night for 21 nights, we are looking at a total rent, an annual rent of 201,600 dirhams. Take away Sobha management fees of 20% for managing your Airbnb property, as well as the maintenance fees of 17 dirhams per square foot. We stand at a net return on investment from rental income at 10.89%. Similar waterfront projects in the rest of the country are higher by 30 to 50%. And now you understand why Siniya is still a very attractive entry point. Now we're focusing on return on equity. One bedroom, we assume if we buy today at 1.4 million, will cost us about 2,600. Let's wait for Q4 27 when the casino is up and running and the prices to hover around 4,000 dirhams per square foot. Again, a conservative number. We exit our one bed investment at 2 million, giving us a net profit of 650,000 and above. We have invested 840,000 based on the 60-40 payment plan offered by Sobha, 60% during construction and 40% on handover. Net profit on a cash flow of 840,000 brings us to 80% return on equity over 2 years or 40% year on year. Seems like a fairy tale, hard to believe, right? I am going to share an example of my own investment where I purchased a unit for 3.7 million dirhams in October 2024. In May 2025, in 7 months, the same property was sold for 4.9 million dirhams, according to the land department. And here's the evidence. Let's move away from the dollar value this island brings to us and get into the value add and the lifestyle this island offers. The island is planned as an eco-luxury destination, integrating mangrove conservation, marina living, and upscale residential communities. Key points that make it special? The story of this master plan is written by one of the best developers out there. The focus is on sustainable design and waterfront views. Expected to host high-end hotels, retail zones, and cultural sites. Early investors aren't just buying into real estate. They're buying into a future lifestyle hub, similar to what Palm Jumeirah was 2 decades ago. We get this daily availability chart with regards to the number of units that are remaining. And a little birdie told me that the release of 2 more buildings and that's it for Siniya Island. So connect with me yesterday and ride on this early mover advantage.